Good Wednesday evening, everybody. This is the weather forecast for southern New England for Wednesday, June 5th, the evening edition. I'm Storm Chaser Justin here. It was a bit humid out with some partial sunshine, with more clouds now. The sunshine and humidity will introduce the threat of some storms tonight. We'll get into that later on. But yeah, you probably did feel a little bit of humidity today. Humidity values were up there, not super oppressive, but they were certainly not refreshing. Tomorrow will feature mostly the same, a few isolated showers, thunderstorms in the morning between 8 a.m. and noon. We will cut down on the humidity, but temperatures will be close to the same today. Today we had temperatures upper 70s, low 80s across the whole region. The coolest was along the coastlines, as always, especially in southern Connecticut, where you have the sea breeze, in Rhode Island. We have the sea breeze kicking in because the water temperatures are colder, still in the low 60s, upper 50s. So let's get into this. I have issued a storm alert for part of the region, not all of it. This does include Boston, Hartford, Putnam, Norwich, Worcester, Springfield, Lowell, and Litchfield, Waterbury, all the areas shaded in red. What is this for? Strong thunderstorms are possible, not widespread. Gusty winds are the the least threat, as well as hail. I don't really expect any severe weather tonight. I think just a few loud thunderstorms, cracks of thunder, flashes of lightning, maybe a few bolts of lightning. My main concern will be heavy rain, where some localized areas of 2+ inches are possible. You'll see in just a minute the NAM 3KM model rainfall forecast. But again, this is from about 8 p.m. tonight, so pretty soon until about noon tomorrow. Might cut back on that time. But anyway, here it is, the area shaded in red. Threat of some strong storms and heavier rain is the main threat, the heavy rain. This is the NAM 3KM model showing where the areas. This is just a model view. This goes until Saturday early morning. Most of this rain falls tonight and early tomorrow morning, maybe even mid to late morning. But you can see a bullseye right in southern New England and Connecticut, Litchfield County, possibly up to 3.5 to 4 inches right there in that very isolated storm. Even towards Hartford, you get up towards Hartford, possibly just a little over 2 inches. Windsor locks about 1.2. Boston about half an inch. Worcester about 0.2 of an inch, maybe just a little bit to the south. Springfield between 1.5 and 2 inches. You head up towards the border between Massachusetts and New Hampshire, you can see less than 1/10 of an inch. Then you head up up into upstate New York, you can see possibly up to 4.5 inches. So this is just a broad overview of where the heaviest cells would be. This is not gonna actually happen. This could be off. The bullseye in Litchfield County could go a little bit further north, could go a little bit further south, could go east or west. It could go either way. So this is just a broad overview with this model just showing where the potential is for the strong storms and heavy rains. Here's the storm prediction outlook for today. You can see an enhanced risk over Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and into Kentucky. See, there's even a little marginal risk down towards Houston. Slight risk towards near Amarillo and from just to the east of Atlanta, going up towards near DC. Here in southern New England, just some general thunder. You can see the slight risk down to our south and west, up into Ohio and down to our south near DC. The marginal threat gets as close as about Trenton, New Jersey. I'm not expecting any severe weather. It could be a few pop-up stronger storms. But again, just some general thunder. Here's the excessive rainfall outlook for today, going until about 6 a.m. tomorrow. You can see high risk of flash flooding just to the east of Houston, down into southern Texas and Louisiana. Houston has been pulled out of the high risk, but before they were in the high risk. There are flash flood warnings, very heavy rain down there right now, and very excessive flooding. Here in southern New England, just a marginal risk of not severe weather, excessive rainfall, again, for those localized areas up to 2 inches or more. It is June, that means we check the tropical activity. No tropical cyclones are expected in the next 48 hours, which is good. We did have Invest 91L just off the southern coast of Texas. That has now fizzled. It was given a 40 to 60% chance of development. That did not happen. We did not have Barry. But it is June. It is hurricane season, and we could have tropical systems anywhere. Models are pointing out possibly a storm just to the south of us, about just to the northwest of Bermuda. Could be a little tropical low. But for now, that's about a week out, so don't have to worry about that now. If it's still showing it in 5 days, we will start paying more attention to it. But for now, things are quiet in the tropics. Here's the 5-day outlook for southern New England. You can see Thursday, 80% chance of thunderstorms. That's mainly between midnight and after noontime. Again, the main threat will be from about midnight tonight. For the strongest of storms, heaviest of rain between midnight and about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. But there could be a few isolated storms throughout the day on Thursday, and maybe even some light rain or heavier downpours. High of 78, low of 55. Friday and Saturday both look gorgeous. Beautiful days. So I do have the partly cloudy icon. There will be a few stray clouds through there, but temperatures are quite nice, 77 and 79. Broad view, some could get up to 80, 82. And then Sunday, I have the cloud icon in there that we still could have. Most of the day could be a good day with some sun and afternoon clouds. Right now, I have put in the cloud icon. There may be a few stray shower or two. Mondays are better chance for rain. As of now, it's just a 60% chance. But as we get closer, we'll fine tune the data and get you guys the forecast. But for now, this is the 5-day. Thank you guys for watching, and stay safe out there.